how to send documents to Remitly. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can send documents to Remitly. Now, sending documents to Remitly is basically uploading your document in order to verify your identity. And how do you get about it? The first step is to sign into your account. Once you're signed in into your Remitly account, you'll be brought to the send money page automatically. Next to send money, you have transfer history as well as reference. Now under send money, normally you would not see the verify identity option directly on your Remitly account. And then the major way to make it come up is by trying to send money. Alright. By the time you enter in amount you want to send and you click on continue, instead of it directing you to the recipient's page and all of that, instead you'll be asked to add a few details. All right. Now, if you do not add the details, that is when you will see this option being displayed at the top part of the screen, which says that we need further information to continue with this process, etc. So now, once you can see provide a few details, click on continue, and then you'll be taken to the page where you are to supply two documents or any of the documents, either, and then they include your SSN or your passport. So once you click on passports, you'll be taken to the page where you would be asked to, you can continue with your phone if you want to, or if not you can continue with your PC. And then if you continue with your PC, you'll be the kind of passports being needed from you will be displayed, with the information about it to be displayed. Then you'll be asked to click on I understand. After clicking on I understand, by the top right side of the screen, you will see your devices. You'll be directed to your devices files. Then select the password, upload it, passport, and upload it. After uploading it, it will be verified, and then your account will be verified. So that is how you can send documents remotely. All right, this is another way. Okay, you can continue with your phone. You can send the secure link to your phone, open the link, complete the task, and then check back here to finish the submission. It's very, very simple, and I'm sure you would not regret it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.